It's Bubu Bunny. Welcome back to my happy forest. Today, we are going on a new adventure. Are you ready? Hey, let's begin. Look here, friends. Can you see this? This is the letter D. D, letter D. Good job. Let's say it again, slowly. D, letter D. Now, let's write together. Watch carefully. Down and around. Very gentle. Very slow. This is D. Letter D. Great writing. Oh, look. D is for dog. A friendly, happy dog. D for dog. What's coming now? D is for duck. A soft, yellow duck. D for duck. Wow. D is for drum. Boom, boom, drum. D for drum. Let's remember together. D is for dog. D is for duck. D is for drum. D, letter D. Now, some question for you. Which letter did we learn today? Is it D? Yes, letter D. Another question. Which one starts with D? Dog or cat? Hey, dog starts with D. One more. What starts with D? Drum or ball? Yes, drum starts with D. Great job, little learners. Today, you learned letter D. D, letter D. I'm so proud of you. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Also get your thing and giggle. Learn, fun, explore. With LearnDada, you'll love to learn more.